Are you ready to turn artificial intelligence into a real income stream? Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that you can use to start making money right now. Not just general ideas, I'll explain exactly how to use each tool, who's buying these services, and how to stand out. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT. What it does. ChatGPT is a conversational AI model that can write content, answer questions, brainstorm ideas, and more. How to use it for money. Freelance content creation. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, or ebooks for clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or PeoplePer. Automation services. Offer chatbot creation services for small businesses that want 24/7 customer support using ChatGPT via APIs or platforms like Botfriss or Tidio. Tactic. Niche down. Instead of I write blogs, offer a AI-powered SEO blog writing for real estate agents, dentists, or tech startups. Create 3 to 5 demo articles and build a small portfolio to attract your first clients. 2. Midjourney. What it does. Midjourney creates high-quality art, illustrations, and graphics based on text prompts. How to use it for money. Print-on-demand designs. Generate t-shirt, mug, or poster designs and sell them via Redbubble, Etsy, or Merch by Amazon. Book illustrations and covers. Offer services to self-published authors needing fantasy, sci-fi, or children's book covers. Tactic. Target low-competition micro-niches like retro sci-fi covers or dark academia t-shirt quotes. Promote your portfolio on Instagram using aesthetic carousels with your AI Art 3. Eleven Labs. What it does. Turns text into ultra-realistic human voices. How to use it for money. Voiceover services. Sell voiceovers for explicable videos. E-learning content, podcast intros, and audiobooks. YouTube automation. Create faceless YouTube videos using Eleven Labs for narration and pair it with stock visuals or AI-generated images. Tactic. Download scripts from public domain books or articles and turn them into narrated videos. Focus on categories like horror stories, motivation, or productivity tips. Monetize through YouTube or license your voiceovers. 4. Leonardo. AI or Kittl. What it does. These are creative tools for generating logos, typography, and graphic layouts. How to use it for money. Logo design. Offer instant logo packages for new startups or online brands. Social media templates. Sell ready-to-use Instagram carousel templates or TikTok branding kits on marketplaces like Gumroad or Creative Market. Tactic. Use AI to generate 10 to 20 template packs. Then bundle and market them via Twitter or Instagram Reels. SEO-driven titles like Fitness Coach Branding Kit or Minimalist Instagram Bundle for startups. 5. Opus Clip or Pictory. What it does. Transforms long videos into short-form content with automatic cuts, captions, and highlights. How to use it for money. Shorts repackaging. Offer to turn podcast episodes, webinars, or long videos into viral TikToks or YouTube shorts. Reels agency model. Start a micro-agency that helps businesses grow on Instagram by converting their raw footage into short, engaging clips. Tactic. Find clients on LinkedIn or Facebook groups. Send them a free sample using one of their videos and pitch a weekly or monthly repurposing plan. These AI tools speed up editing, allowing you to deliver fast and scale easily. Conclusion. These 5 AI tools are not just tech novelties. They are real business enablers. But remember, tools alone don't make money. Strategy does. Pick one niche. Get your first few clients and scale from there. If you want more deep dive guides like this, don't forget to subscribe, and comment which tool you'll try first.